Hey, hot tubbers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy a used hot tub. Now, I know a lot of people might be thinking that this is too complicated or risky, but I'm here to tell you that with the right information, it can be really easy and affordable. Hi, my name is Jackie, the Hot Tub Lady, and I've been selling hot tubs for years. And in this video, I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks on how to buy a used hot tub without getting scammed. So whether you're looking for your very first hot tub or just want to save some money on a new one, this video is for you. So guys, I've been selling hot tubs forever. A lot of people really get started with the used hot tub market, and it's actually a really good way to go. My first advice to you, so number one would be to actually buy a hot tub from a dealer. And the reason for that is it's going to give you some peace of mind, and you do know that you're going to be able to get service and parts and everything afterwards once you get it from a dealer. Most dealers, like our dealership, we actually give a warranty with any used hot tub that we sell. So that's kind of a really big peace of mind way to go, and I highly recommend that's where you start. Call your local dealers and see if there's anything available that they would be willing to sell on a used. They trade in hot tubs all the time, so there's lots of stuff out there. Now, if you can't find one from your local dealer, a really great place to check out would be Facbook Market Place. We personally sell a lot of hot tubs on that, but I also recommend to my customers when they want to sell their hot tubs that's a great place to actually look for it. So just search hot tubs on Marketplace on Facebook, and I guarantee that you're going to find one or two there. Now, some tips on that. I would 100%, I would never buy a used hot tub from a private party without it being plugged in, running, hot, and you get to go actually see it. So you'd want to see the jets, make sure the jets are running, make sure it's heating up to temperature, and make sure there's no leaks. So those three things are probably your biggest tips on that, but you definitely want to make sure that it's doing that. Now, if it's somebody you know and you trust them and that type of thing, you can definitely go that route. But if you're buying it from someone you don't know, I highly recommend that you see it running before purchasing. Couple of things to think about. Most people who are selling hot tubs on their own, you're going to have to hire somebody to move and get that out of the way for you. It is a big job. It's a really big job. You know, and I'm seeing any hot tub movers move anywhere from probably about $500 to $1,000 these days, just kind of depending on what all you have to get done. But that's a big thing, so keep that in mind when you're actually doing some searching for used hot tubs. The other thing that you definitely want to keep in mind is, can you actually get parts and pieces for that hot tub? Because since the new, I'm going to call it the new COVID economy, parts are getting kind of hard to get a hold of. So before you actually purchase a hot tub, I would maybe call your local dealer and say, hey, I'm looking at buying this hot tub, and can I get pieces and parts for it? Make sure you ask whoever you're buying the hot tub from what is wrong with it, because I will tell you, people don't sell their hot tubs unless there's something wrong with it. If everything is working correctly, they're keeping it. So just keep that in mind as well. But definitely check with your dealer, make sure they can get pieces and parts. And I would also ask your local dealers, will they actually service that hot tub? You know, we're actually at a point right now that, and most dealers are in the same situation, is we're very short on help, and there's a lot of product out there, and we are down to the point where we can only service what we sell. And I do know a lot of my peers are in that same boat. So kind of keep that in mind as well. So I would definitely call to make sure that you can actually get service on a hot tub once you buy a used one. But some big deals, you know, there's a lot of money to be saved, but you can also spend a lot of money by going that route. The other thing to kind of keep in mind, if you're pretty handy and you think you can fix it yourself, is just, can you even get the parts for it? So that's a good way to go. It is 2022 into 2022, and we're going into 2023. And if you do find a good hot tub, do some research, make sure it's a good brand, and make sure it's something you can get parts for. But if you do buy a used hot tub, I mean, I'm going to tell you, in today's market, if you can find anything under $5,000 or $5,000 market, buy it. I mean, it just doesn't exist anymore. A running hot tub at $5,000 is just a non-existent thing. So I think most people you're going to find you're going to be paying anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000, even up to 12 to 18, depending on how old the hot tub is and that type of thing. But there's a lot of money to be saved if you buy used hot tubs. Check Facebook Marketplace, check your local shopping mall type, online shopping mall type things, and just keep your ear out and let people know. It's not a bad idea also to let your local hot tub seller know that you're actually looking for a used one, and to maybe put you on a list. Sometimes we'll share people's names with people, or if we can find something for you, if we know exactly what you're looking for. But the inventory is still really low on the used hot tubs, but keep that in mind, and happy hot tubbing. I know you're going to find a good hot tub out there, and I hope you guys found this helpful. We'll see you in the next video, which is right over here. Just remember, keep making life epic.